Hi, I'm Keith, Product Manager at Hiab. When you're operating your cable roll-off, control is everything. You need precision, efficiency, and safety, all without extra complexity. And that's exactly what we built into GALFAB's electronic controls. This system has been tested in some of the toughest environments. In fact, the same controller and valve have been used in MULTILIFT hook lifts since 2013, now, for the first time, available in GALFAB hoists, bringing its durability and performance to a new generation of roll-off systems. One of the biggest advantages of this system is its CANbus connection, a single cable that links the controls directly to the hoist electronics. That means faster installation, fewer connection points, and easier troubleshooting when needed. With one-handed joystick operation, you can control all hoist functions with just one finger movement. Whether you're loading, unloading, or dumping, it's effortless, even when wearing gloves. Flexibility matters, and that's why we've included 10 programmable buttons to handle additional functions. Need to switch on a work light? Control diverter valve? Just assign it to a button, and it's at your fingertips. This controller isn't just smart, it's built to last. It's weather-resistant and made from high-grade materials. It's designed to handle tough conditions and has a 2-year warranty for extra peace of mind. Code indication provides maintenance reminders and troubleshooting alerts so you can stay ahead of potential issues. And a backlit display ensures you can see everything clearly, even in low light conditions. So working at night or in dark places is no problem. At GALFAB, we're committed to making your job easier, safer, and more efficient. Our in-cab controls with precision at your fingertips, helping you get more done with less effort. Want to learn more? Check out the rest of the videos in the series, and thanks for watching.